Be strong.
Chatgpt. Hi Lea, have you heard about Chatgpt?
No, what is it?
Chatgpt is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's capable of generating human-like text.
Really? That's amazing. What can it be used for?
Chatgpt can be used for various tasks like language translation, text generation, and even answering questions like a human.
That's really interesting. Can it understand context and generate responses accordingly?
Yes, that's one of its key features. The more context you provide, the better its responses will be.
Can you give me an example of how it works?
Sure, let's say you ask Chatgpt about the capital of France. It would generate a response like the capital of France is Paris.
Wow, that's impressive. How is it trained?
Chatgpt is trained on a large dataset of text data, allowing it to learn the patterns of language and generate responses based on that.
That's really interesting. What are the limitations of ChatGPT?
Well, like all AI models, Chatgpt has limitations. It can sometimes generate irrelevant or nonsensical responses, and its outputs may be biased based on the data it was trained on.
That's something to keep in mind. Can it be used in a business setting?
Absolutely, Chatgpt has many potential business applications. For example, it can be used to automate customer service interactions or generate product descriptions.
That's really cool. I would love to learn more about ChatGPT and its potential applications.
Definitely, there's a lot of exciting research being done in this field. I'm sure we'll be seeing a lot more of ChatGPT in the future.
I couldn't agree more. It's amazing how far AI technology has come.
Yes, it's definitely an exciting time to be in the field. There are so many possibilities for what ChatGPT and other AI models can do.
Have you seen any creative uses of ChatGPT?
Yes, there have been a few really interesting projects using ChatGPT. For example, some artists have used it to generate poetry and even songs.
That's amazing. I never thought AI could be used for creative purposes.
AI has the potential to be used in many creative ways. The possibilities are really endless.
Do you think ChatGPT will be able to replace human writers in the future?
It's hard to say. While ChatGPT is capable of generating text, it still lacks the creativity and emotional intelligence that humans possess. However, it could certainly augment and assist human writers in their work.
That's an interesting point. I can see how it could be useful for tasks like fact-checking or generating outlines for articles.
Exactly, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for writers, especially when it comes to time-consuming tasks.
I think it would be really interesting to experiment with ChatGPT and see what kind of writing projects it could be used for.
Definitely, the more people experiment with it, the more its potential will be uncovered.
I agree. I'm excited to see what the future holds for ChatGPT and AI technology as a whole.
Me too. It's going to be an exciting ride.
Do you think ChatGPT will be able to generate entire books in the future?
It's possible. ChatGPT has already been used to generate short stories and articles, so generating a book may not be too far off.
That's really mind-blowing. How do you think this will impact the publishing industry?
It's hard to say for sure, but I think AI-generated content could potentially lead to more efficient and cost-effective methods of producing books. However, it may also have a negative impact on traditional publishing jobs.
That's definitely something to keep in mind. It'll be interesting to see how it all plays out.
Yes, it will be. Technology always has the potential to both positively and negatively impact industries.
Definitely. Well, it's been great chatting with you about ChatGPT. I learned a lot.
Same here. It's always interesting to talk about the latest developments in AI technology.
I'm sure we'll have many more conversations about it in the future.
I'm looking forward to it. Take care, Lea.
You too, Alex. Have a great day.